What a wonderful day. Could it be more... Oh, what is that? Panda, that's the worst sounding guitar I've ever heard.
I know, but I've tried everything to get this thing sounding good.
Well, it sounds out of tune. Did you tune it?
Of course. That was the first thing I tried.
Did you restring it? Maybe it needs fresh strings.
Oh, come on, of course I did that already. These puppies are as fresh as the Prince in Bel-Air.
Well, it could be that you're playing a giant monster squid instead of a guitar.
I think I should get a new guitar.
The studios